Hey there, here we are at Latitude Margaritaville Water Sound, and there is a resale of a cottage here. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go check it out. Before we go in, I wanted to show you that right outside of this cottage has a water and preserve view. So nice and quiet. You're on the back corner here. Very nicely done. And there's the main entranceway. All right, let's go in and check it out. The front porch is screened in, so you can absolutely enjoy the outdoor living and your views. So here we are walking in, trying to give you a view of everything. So you've got the open kitchen and dining and living area. You've got Whirlpool appliances. You will need to install a fridge, but you've got a pantry. Got your Moen faucet there. Okay, so right off the front is the main bed and ensuite. And the guest space is going to be in the back. You've got the room here. Here is the bath. And right outside the bath is the expansive laundry. And there's the access to the garage. We've got the garage. For more information on this resale bamboo, look in the description below. I'll have the listing link available to you. You can get the pricing and all of the other information that you may not have. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.